middle right now. This is pretty hard packed sand, but some of the back roads that we rode on earlier are not. And we didn't have to let any air out. We stayed right on top, drove right over everything. So as far as loose sand or any of that sort of stuff goes, I would definitely say they have plenty of grip. They actually don't dig as bad as the mud tires do on the Blazer. So we're really happy with that, or at least I was, because that's kind of the only downfall of mud tires. They want to dig, and on sand you can't really dig because you just end up on the frame and on the axles. So overall, the AC Terrains out here on the beach, they're great. But make sure to like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. Let us know if you want to see more kind of road trip type stuff.